Hi learners, welcome back to Curious Commerce. Today we are going to learn one of the foundation concepts of financial management called time value of money. This concept explains why money today is more valuable than tomorrow's money. This topic is very important for generally for the examination purpose, investment decisions, banking, corporate finance, and all other allied finance areas. Time value of money. Let me start with a simple question. If someone gives you 1 lakh today or 1 lakh rupees after 1 year, which one will you choose? Once again, I will repeat. If someone gives you 1 lakh rupees today or 1 lakh rupees after 1 year, which one will you choose? Obviously, 1 lakh rupees today, right? Why? What is the reason? Because money today can be invested somewhere else in investment alternatives. We will save the money or earn interest. This logic leads to the principle money has time value. That means 1 lakh rupees today is worth more than 1 lakh rupees of tomorrow. Let us discuss with the interest concept. The word interest has two meanings. The first meaning is interest means curiosity or eagerness to know something. Once again, I will repeat. Interest means curiosity or eagerness to know something. The second meaning is interest means a feeling of wanting to know more about something or the extra money paid or earned on money borrowed or invested, depending on the context. Once again, I will repeat. In short form, interest means extra money paid or earned on the money. In financial management, we always use the second meaning, that is, extra money paid or earned on money. Let us say the definition of the interest. Interest is the additional amount of money paid by a borrower to a lender or earned by an investor for the use of money over time. Let us understand the concept of interest with the small example. If you lend 10,000 rupees and get back rupees 11,200. If you lend 10,000 rupees and get back 11,200 rupees, the difference between the lend amount of 10,000 rupees and the get back amount of 11,200 rupees is 1,200 rupees. That 1,200 rupees we called as in the interest. What is future value of money? Future value of money is the value of money held presently at some given future time at a given rate of interest. It means what will today's money become in the future? What will today's money become in the future? If you interest money today, after some years, it will grow, right? If you invest money today, for example, if you invest 1 lakh rupees today in any financial alternatives or investment alternatives, after some years it will grow, right? In general conditions, that the grow amount is called the future value. For the understanding purpose, the simple equation future value of money equals value of the money at present plus interest. If you want to know the future value of the money, first we should know about the interest, the additional ground amount. For that calculation, we are using the two types of the interest methods. First one is the simple interest. The second one is the compound interest. Both are used to calculate future value, but the method is different. To optimize the earning capacity of our investment, we are using sometimes the simple interest, sometimes the compound interest. Let us discuss one by one. So, what is the meaning of the simple interest? Simple interest is calculated only on the principal amount. Once again, I will repeat, simple interest is calculated only on the principal amount. Here, interest does not earn interest. It means that interest only on the principal amount. Interest remains same every year. It will be constant in every year. For calculate the simple interest, we are using the formula simple interest equals money borrowed or lent at present. We represent it with the P, that is the principal amount, the interest rate, that is R, the time period T. In simple version, simple interest equals P into R into T. It means simple interest equals PRT. Once again, I will repeat, simple interest equals principal into rate of interest into time duration. Formula for calculate future value and the principal on simple interest basis. Future value equals principal plus PRT. It means that the simple interest. Future value equals, here if you observe, the common factor is the principal and as well as the principal. That's why we consider the common factor of the principal amount. The remaining will be 1 plus RT. Future value is equal to principal into 1 plus RT. For calculate the principal, it is future value divided by 1 plus RT. Numerical example for simple interest calculation. The problem will be calculate simple interest and future value of an amount of rupees 1 lakh borrowed at a simple interest rate of 12% per annum You should calculate the future value and simple interest for 6 months, 1 year, second year, 1095 days, and 90 days. Here we should understand what will be the future value and what will be the simple interest in each situations of 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 1085 days, and 90 days. First we should tabulate the available information, the amount borrowed, that is we call as in the principal amount is 1 lakh rupees. The interest rate per annum, that is 12%, that is 0.12. Time period in years, that is T, that is for the first situation for 6 months it is zero point 0.5, half year, 6 divided by 12, that is 0.5. The simple interest is principal, that is 1 lakh, into rate of interest 0.12 into time duration, that is 0.5. The interest is 6,000. In the second situation, the principal amount will be same, that is 1 lakh rupees. The interest rate will be same, that is 12%, that is 0.12. And time duration is different compared to the previous situation. Previously it is 6 months, now it is 1 year. The 1 year means the time duration is 1. So if you calculate with applying the formula of simple interest, principal 1 lakh rupees into rate of interest, that is 0.12, that is 12%, and the time duration is 1 year, that is that 12,000 rupees. For the second year, the same, the principal amount will be 1 lakh. The rate of interest is 12%, that is 0.12. Time duration is the 2 years or the 24 months. So there is 2. When we apply the formula of simple interest, principal 1 lakh rupees into 0.12, that is the interest rate, and the 2 years of the duration, that is T, that is the available calculated the simple interest is 24,000. For the fourth situation, 1095 days. 1095 days means 1095 divided by 365, that is 3 years. The principal is 1 lakh, interest rate is 0.12, time period is 3 years. When you apply the formula of simple interest, principal of 1 lakh rupees into 0.12 of interest rate and time duration of 3 years, the calculated simple interest is 36,000 rupees. In fourth situation is 90 days. 90 days means, so it is 0.246 if you observe 90 divided by 365, that is 0.246. When you apply the formula of simple interest, 1 lakh into 0.12 into 0.2425, that is 2,959. So observe, previously also we quoted the simple interest remains constant in every year. If you identify the first year and second year, it means that the end of the first year and end of the second year and end of the third year. The first year interest is 12,000, second year is 24, third year is 36. So if you split the second year into first year and second year, once again it will be 12,000 plus 12,000, 12,000 plus 12,000. It means that, so the total is 24,000. And the same way, if you consider the third year, it is the total is 36,000. So if you split into three parts, the first year, second year, third year, 12,000 plus 12,000 of second year and plus 12,000 of third year. So it means that it is 36,000. So let us discuss with the future value, because we already calculated the simple interest in different scenarios of 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and the 90 days. So here we calculate the future value of money. We already know that for the future value of the money, so the formula is the principal plus simple interest. For calculate the simple interest, we know the formula, that is P into R into T. It means that the principal amount into rate of interest into time duration. We already calculated the simple interest in the previous slide. That is 6,000 rupees in the first year. Sorry, 6,000 rupees in first 6 months, 12,000 rupees at the end of the first year, 24,000 rupees at the end of the second year, 36,000 rupees at the end of the third year, and only the 2,959 at the end of the 90th day. So now we should calculate the future value with using of the formula principal plus simple interest. We know that the principal for all the situation is 1 lakh rupees. So here the principal amount for the first situation for 6 months, the principal amount is 1 lakh rupees plus the simple interest of 6,000. The total is 1 lakh 6,000. The 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh 6,000 rupees is the future value. The present value of 1 lakh 6,000 rupees is 1 lakh. The future value of 1 lakh rupees is 1 lakh 6,000. On the same way, at the end of the first year, the principal amount is 1 lakh. The simple interest at the end of the first year is 12,000. The summation of this two, 1 lakh plus 12,000, that is 1 lakh 12,000 rupees, that is the future value with using of this formula. In third situation, the principal amount is 1 lakh and the simple interest is 24,000. The summated it, 1 lakh 24,000 rupees is the future value. In fourth situation, it is 1,095 days. It means that the 3 years, we already know that. So the borrowed amount or the principal amount is 1 lakh rupees with consideration of the simple interest. At the end of the third year is 36,000. The summation of the principal amount plus interest, that is 1 lakh plus 36,000, that is 1 lakh 36,000 rupees is the future value. For 90 days, the same type of the calculation. There is no changes in it. The principal amount of 1 lakh rupees and the simple interest at the end of the 90th day is 2,959. The future value is 1 lakh 2,959. So here it is easy to understand the present value and the future value, the thing we call as in the time value of the money. The present value of 1 lakh rupees after 6 months, it will be 1 lakh 6,000 rupees. That is the future value of today's 1 lakh rupees. Today's 1 lakh rupees at the end of the first year is 1 lakh 12,000 rupees. Today's 1 lakh rupees at the end of the second year is 1 lakh 24,000 rupees. Today's 1 lakh rupees after 3 years it is 1 lakh 36,000. After 90 days, today's 1 lakh is 1 lakh 2,959. So this is the formula for calculate the simple interest. So this is for the simple interest and this is for the future value of money. Thank you, dear learners. We will continue about the compound interest in the part second. If you need the daily updates about the finance, just follow the Curious Commerce Financial Management Hub in the WhatsApp channel. And if you think that this videos help you out for the students and for the learners, please share and subscribe. Thank you all.